Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen super duper crazy integration, and today integration is ln in bracket 1 plus log x minus x into tan in bracket x by 2 bracket complete dx. Okay, if you want the simple solution to watch video till at the end. Okay, let's do start and solve the example by simple method. Let I is equal to integration in bracket ln in bracket 1 plus cos x minus x into tan x by 2 bracket complete dx. Okay, now we can write the simplification term as ln 1 plus cos x bracket complete dx minus integration x into tan x by 2 bracket complete dx. Okay, now say this is suppose this is I1 minus integration x into tan x by 2 dx. Okay, now we can here separately solve the I1 separate integration, and suppose say this is I1 is equal to integration ln in bracket 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, now here we observe the ln is the single term of the function, and we consider the second function as a 1 is a algebraic function by using IBP. Yes, okay, then we can write here ln 1 plus cos x, then integration of second function, that's mean 1 dx minus integration derivative of first function, that's mean ln in bracket 1 plus log x, then integration of 1 dx bracket complete dx. Now we can write the simplification term as this is ln 1 plus cos x, that's mean integration of 1 x minus then integration, okay, the derivative of ln 1 plus cos x, we can write here 1 upon 1 plus cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, and then again integration of 1 is x bracket complete dx. Okay, we can write the simplification term as ln 1 plus cos x into x minus plus plus, okay, and integration, this is the sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, now we can find the integration of sin x upon 1 plus sin x, but we know that the formula related of sin x is equal to, we can write 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, and 1 plus cos x is equal to related formula 2 cos square x by 2. Yes, then the simplification process becomes as ln 1 plus cos x into x plus integration 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 and divide 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Here we observe 2 to get cancel, then cos x by 2 cos by 2, one term is cancel, and integration of tan x by 2 into x, here remaining x term there is x dx. Yes, okay, therefore ln 1 plus cos x into x plus sin x by 2 divide cos x by 2, that's mean tan x by 2 into x dx, and suppose this is equation second, we say this is equation second. This I1 value put in equation first, then we get, therefore I is equal to I1, that's mean this is ln 1 plus cos x into x plus integration tan x by 2 into x dx, then minus integration, this is x into tan x by 2 and dx. Here we observe this is the plus and negative value get cancel, and we get I is equal to ln in bracket 1 plus cos x into x, and plus is the constant of integration, we can write. Okay, and this is my final solution, and this is the super duper crazy solution. Cool, see the result. Yes, okay, if you like this video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.